Welcome to Remedial Membranes, home of the clear waterproofing membrane for repair of leaky showers and balconies. The clear waterproofing membrane came into existence in 2015 and has been applied to different applications from very large buildings to waterproofing concrete all the way to small showers. You will be familiar with polyurethane waterproofing that goes under the tiles. Well, this is very similar except it goes on top of the tiles and it can be walked on. The easiest way to demonstrate the ability of the membrane is to waterproof a cardboard box. Waterproofing is the most fragile part of the construction configuration. Everything else, timber frame, concrete slab, cement sheet, tile adhesive, tile, all will last as long as the home does, but not the waterproofing. Usually, if you're lucky, it lasts around 10 years. So what do you do when your tiles and everything else looks good, but the balcony is leaking or shower? You put a clear, over tile, waterproofing membrane on the tiles, which leaves the look of the tiles the same, but makes it watertight. Clear waterproofing membrane comes in 3 different finishes: gloss, satin and matte. It also comes with a clear aggregate to make the surface slip resistant. For a shower, after the shower has been cleaned and mechanically dried out, then the SMX compatible cork is installed in all the junctions and above the shower rose, where the floor meets the walls and in the waste grate to the puddle flange. Then the membrane is applied over the top of the clear SMX from the bottom tile grout line to the door, creating a clear tray in the base of your shower. A balcony is similar to a large shower floor, so after it is cleaned and prepared, the cork is applied in the junctions and over all the grout joints on timber frames. Then the membrane is applied up the wall approximately 100 ml, and then over all building materials it comes in contact with. The membrane is compatible with most building materials, including aluminium frames, paint, brick, etc. So it is able to wrap up over these areas, removing seams for water ingress. And finally, the slip-resistant aggregate is mixed in with a final coat to create a slip-resistant finish. If your membrane has failed, you don't need a different kind of grout, you don't need a sealer to put over the grout, you need a waterproof membrane. Clear waterproofing membrane is the answer to your leaky showers and balconies. It comes with full help desk support, 10-year product warranty, application-specific installation guides with video references to understand each step required. It has never been easier to repair your own shower or balcony than today. If we can waterproof a cardboard box, imagine what we can do with tiles. To learn more, simply select the application that best suits you, download the guide and watch the video to give you an idea of what is involved. If DIY is not for you, please call one of your local installers.